Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the vent stack location and getting immediate access. Climb safely to the roof, measure the stack height above roofline, and note existing clearances. Once done, turn off water at the shutoff and flush to empty the bowl and tank. Make sure to protect the floor below. You need ladder, saw, replacement vent pipe, couplers, roofing flashing, and pipe cement. These choices determine fit and leak resistance, so pick materials rated for plumbing vents. You now perform the core connections. Cut the existing vent or extend a new PVC run toward the stack using a proper 3 or 4-inch diameter. Once aligned, dry fit couplers to check angles, then primer and cement each joint to create a pressure-tight bond. Make sure horizontal sections slope 1/4 inch per foot back toward the drain so traps can vent properly. Fasten pipe with straps every 4 to 6 feet. Finally, fit flashing at roof penetration and apply sealant to prevent leaks. You finish by restoring supply and testing performance. Run several large flushes and listen for gurgling or slow drainage because those signs show vent problems. Once done, inspect the ceiling and roof around the penetration for leaks and recheck joint seals and flashing tightness. Make sure no visible gaps exist. If gurgling or siphoning continues, double-check the slope and clear any blockages with an auger or snake. If the blockage is in the roof vent or in access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.